no ambulance is ready to come to our village because of the road. And and the sick people or the lay people, even if they wanted to come for emergency, no vehicle is ready to go there. Why? Because there is no road. And today, because of the road problem, we have no water to drink, we have no water to use. What we use water is actually a muddy clay, and we cannot even consume that. If we consume that, we will get diarrhea, cholera, or different kinds of sicknesses. For example, now COVID-19 is going on. And in this period, if we use this type of water, how we will survive? So, our request is to the government of India as well as government of Tripura and the local government here, ruling government as well as who are looking over the Panchayat and blocks, PWDs, DWS. We want to give a clear message that we need proper road immediately within this month, because as far as our concern now and our immediate report, government is ready to give us water facilities in our villages, but because of the road problem, they are not ready to come to install that kind of tube wells or bore wells in our villages. So our kind request to the government of India, even to the Prime Minister of India, Modi, we want to say a quick message is that please make sure that we are also the citizens of India and we are not outsiders. So to make sure that we are Indians, please give us proper road connection, proper electricity, proper water supply, proper health and hygienic health centers, so that we may also develop our country. In order to develop our country, first of all, we have to develop our villages. In order to, if we develop our village, then only we can develop our society. If we develop our society, then we can develop our state. If we develop our state, we will develop our country. Then only we can become a developed country. We are saying that we are developing. How we are developing? We put down our country and our citizens of India, and we develop other countries. Why? First develop our country, then develop other countries. This is our kind message, and please forward this message everyone, so that everyone get good support from government of India. Thank you.